Hello everyone. Welcome to Concentric Constraint. Concentric constraint is used to make selected arcs, or circles, to share the same center point which others. I would like to apply the concentric constraint to the circles and arcs to share the same center point. Click to select all the circles. Click the concentric constraint. Now the concentric constraint has applied to the both circles. Click the center point and drag to move. The circles are sticked on the same center point. For the arc also. First thing we need to do is selecting the both arcs, and click concentric constraint. Suddenly the arcs move, to stick in the same center point. When we click on the center point of the arcs, drag to move it still stay in the same center point.